Man, we hustle every day. We chasing people. At about that you know. Man, we hustle every day. Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel, Nenomaila M Traders. Before we go any further, can you please subscribe and also hit the notification bell and also like this video? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's get started. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade boom and crash. I'm going to show you how to buy boom and how to sell crash. Okay, let's start with crash. So you see we have a rising wedge. We have a rising wedge right here. A rising wedge. We have a rising wedge. So, but then before that, let me show you something. We can see the market broke this resistance. So overall, market tried to be a bullish trend. So we can see there's a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then it broke the trend line, our trend line, diagonal trend line. So we can see that it also broke our last. Let me just zoom in. Let me just go to the 30-minute time frame. So we can see it broke our last higher low. So in most cases, actually, here's the strategy. On crash, we focus only, not mostly, only on selling. We only sell crash. We don't buy crash. We only sell crash. I'll show you why in the later stage. Okay, we can see it's a rising wedge. We have a rising wedge. We have our last higher low broken. So overall, we can take an entry here. So let me go deep into the charts. Overall, we have a breakout and retest. Then we also have a breakout, flip zone, a breakout and retest, break and retest of our higher low. So immediately I would have taken an entry. We have a breakout of this trend line and retest here. We also retested the trend line, and we also have another break of higher low, and we also retested. So immediately after we retest our lower low, I'm definitely sure, I'm 100% sure we're going down. That's why I would take my entry here, because we have a lot of bearish properties, influences. We have a retest, we have a lower low, we have another lower low. So we have lower highs, we have lower highs. So I would have taken an entry here. Then I would have took my TP here. So let me go deep in to the charts why I prefer to sell crash. Let me show you. Let me go back to my trade. So if you can look at that chart, we can see that whenever the market goes up, it uses small candlesticks. Look here, it was an uptrend, but then look how when it went down, it just used few candlesticks, about 4 candlesticks, just to replace these small candlesticks, and it was using big candlesticks. So overall, that's why I prefer to sell crash than to buy it. Look at here, look at this is retest. Look at how small the candles were, and look at how after the retest, if we would have taken an entry, look at how we would have reached our TP in just 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. So we would have hit our TP in 20 minutes. So if I were to sell, look at how, if you were to sell here to here, look at how many small candlestick it took to reach your TP, and look how many candles it used to reach your TP if you were to buy from this flip zone to your next zone. So it took 2 candlesticks to reach your TP, and it took 5 or more candlesticks to reach your TP when buying it, and when selling it, it just used 2 candlesticks. So it's safer and faster to reach our TP while selling it than buying it. So let me just show you another example. Or let me just go back here. We have a channel here. Let's say this is our channel. We buy here, we sell here. We sell here, we buy here. Look how when it was selling, it sold from here to here. This is about 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It took 20 minutes to reach your TP. But in overall, if you were to buy from here to here, look at how many small candlesticks it used. So overall, let's focus more on selling crash than buying it. So let me just show you another example. We have 3 good touches: first touch, second touch, and third touch. So we can see that it only used about 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It just reached your TP in less than, here's your TP, in less than an hour. So you can scalp this and swing this, but in only selling it. We sell crash, we buy, boom. We sell crash, we buy, boom. We sell crash, we sell crash. Crash, we sell crash, we sell crash. Note this down. We sell crash, we buy boom. So we would have sold here and took our TP here. So let's go to boom. On boom, we focus more on buying it than selling it. We focus on buying it than selling it. So this is our flip zone. So we can see the market broke our high, then it came back to retest it. So this is a good buy signal. So let me just go down to the smaller time frame. I think I lost that chart. Okay, here it is. Sorry. So this was our higher high, then this is our higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is our flip zone. So we would have taken an entry here. Look at how when it was consolidating, how many candlesticks it took for it to reach that flip zone. But from that flip zone to our TP, look at how many candlesticks it used. Look at this and look at that. When going up, it's using impulsive candlesticks, big candlesticks, big bearish candlesticks, big bullish candlesticks, bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing. And also study the candlestick analysis. Study the candlestick Bible. I think the book it's Candlestick Bible. Yeah, I think the book for studying the candlestick it's Candlestick Bible. I once studied it. You can also I'll try to attach the link to it on the video description. So we were gonna take an entry here to here. Look at how many candlestick it took for it to reach our TP, and look at how many it took a small candlestick to our flip zone. So overall we want to buy boom. We want to buy boom. We want to buy boom overall and sell crash. We buy here. You also, let me just show you another trend line. Okay, let me go deep inside. Okay, this is a 5-minute time frame. Okay, I saw a channel here. So we have a bullish channel here. This is our first touch, our second touch, our second touch, our third touch. So look at how when it was impulsing up, look at how many candles it used to reach our TP. Look at how many it used to come back to retest our candlestick. I mean our trend line, diagonal trend line, and look at how many candlestick it used to reach our TP. So let's focus more on buying boom and selling crash, not the other way around. We buy boom and we sell crash. Okay, let me just look for another trade we would have taken here. Okay, I see. I think also this. Okay, we have 3 good touches. 3 good touches. Our first touch, our second touch, our third touch. And we also have we might as well call this a falling wedge. We have a falling wedge as our second confluence, and a bullish engulfing as we have our trend line as our first confluence. We have a bullish engulfing as our second confluence, then falling wedge as our third confluence. Then we went for our TP. And we also can use this as a bullish channel. Overall, we can see this is our first touch, second touch, third touch. So we would have bought here, took our TP here. Simple, ne? Right. So let me just show you one last example. We have a W pattern here. W pattern. We would have bought here, took our TP here. Simple. So hence I'm telling you, rather buy boom than sell boom. Let's go back to crash. Rather sell crash, we sell crash, we buy boom. We sell 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, boom. Then we sell. Then Let me go. This is 1, 2, 3. Boom, we buy. This is 1, 2, then buy. And then 1, 2, sell. We want to sell like it. We want to sell. Then here we want. Then here we want to buy. Want to buy. Okay, hopefully you find this video inspirational, and also you grasp something from this video and learn something from this video. M-Traders Analysis, Nenomaila. I hope you learned something from this video. Do not forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell and like this video. Thank you for tuning in. M-Traders Analysis, logging out.